Hello all and welcome to my channel. If you want to learn about Vuforia Studio and develop AR and MR applications using Vuforia Studio and using JavaScript and styling it using CSS, this is the place. I've been to the internet from a long time and searching about a lot of videos related to AR applications, and I can see as Unity everywhere. There has not been many videos about Vuforia Studio, so I thought let's start creating some videos for the same. So basically, we'll be creating basics to advance all the Vuforia Studio applications. If you have any problem or any issues, feel free to reach me out. We'll get it done. Okay, so let's get started. Open a default mobile project, select on it, name it anything you like. So for the basic, let's start with the simple functionality of hiding out the objects. So I'll name it as hide object, create, get loaded. Okay, so here we are. We have the 3D plane and all the 2D. Okay, so first thing first, let's go and have it a special target. We'll be using special target for this activity, and we'll use a 3D image. We'll be hiding it and showing it on a button click. So for now, let's just apply a simple image to it. Let's go to the 2D, and there are multiple ways of doing this. I'll change the orientation. Let's go and select a toggle button. So this is one of the simplest way. So you can just see over here these two arrows from the breast. If you just take it and if you bind it with a 3D image and find the visible property and bind it, so now you will be able to control the visibility of the 3D image using this toggle button. So let's preview. Okay, so now by default the visibility will be off. If you click on it, it will be shown. And yeah, that's too simple. But if we want to add the same functionality using JavaScript, let's try to do that. So basically we want to upskill ourselves and we will be using two buttons. Maybe we'll name it as show and hide. So let's make a hide button. Now let's see if the visibility is on. Okay, so now let's code. So we'll start with the basic coding application, write $scope dot hide the name of our function. It can be any name as per your wish. Okay, let's create function curly braces. If you go down, scope dot view dot widget. You don't need to worry about the syntax. We'll get used to it. It's just the same all the way long. And yeah, we'll have the value boolean, true or false. We'll keep it false. So over here, we'll be entering the name of the widget which we want to alter. So in this case, it will be 3D image 1, and we'll be altering the property visible. Now, just to make sure about the syntax, let's add some colons and all. Okay, let's go to visible, add the same. There we go. And now if we copy this function name, if we go to our hide button, and if we give it JavaScript, the function name, there we go. If you go to preview, if you press on hide button, it will hide the 3D image. Yeah, working as a charm. Alright, now let's go and create another button which will be to show the image. If you go on button, same process, name it show, go to JavaScript, copy the function, paste it again, make the few changes, make the visible property true to this time. Oh, change the name to show, the function name. Copy the name, go to the button, make in the JavaScript. There we go. Perfect. Let's preview it. So now we have two buttons. Click on hide, it will hide. Click on show, it will show. But this time we're using JavaScript. Let's try to do the same activity using toggle button. Using JavaScript a little bit, maybe some kind of a loop function. I'll give it to you. Try it. Let me know in the comment section if you're able to do the same. If not, I'll be making a video for the same soon.